背的时候把你手上的东西放下来，这样就行。全部放下来。你要抓打我，你也给了。
Having kitties is like having children. They'll rush to greet you just like a child would. When Dad goes all out in a peekaboo, you know he's had an awesome day, even if it's a bit extra. This guy's trying out the human wave for a friendlier greeting. But let's just say he's a work in progress. Cats are cool with most magic, but if it makes people vanish, that's a no-go. They're like, who's gonna feed us? Pets hate it when their humans have lovers, and they've got to share the love. So maybe some sneaky revenge incoming. Excuse me, human. I believe it's time for mandatory petting duties, and your screen time is over. The owner took forever to finish eating, so his roomie decided to help with digestion, but probably his heart ran away too.
What?
You shouldn't get your hopes up after watching TikTok cats. If you're scared, your boo probably is too. Belly rubs here are like winning the lottery, only for the chosen few. Chilling after a crazy day doesn't need gadgets, just two hearts in sync. Vibing and grooving works fine. Even though their bodies might not match, it's creativity that connects the three souls together. This just goes to show that the unconditional love and support of pets can heal even the toughest of days.
你不会感觉去北韩似的，应该是我的亡灵的，看到没？
Playtime is like sneaky exercise, and those boys will sure be lean and fit in no time. Aren't you forgetting something? I won't get down until you remember your duty. When you're trying to adult and face reality, but your dad's just like... Just be nice and polite, and people will probably say yes to whatever you want.
What is it? Leave me alone.
We often smooch our kitties when they're not in the mood, and guess what? They return the favor.
Thank you. My kisses. But I don't want any more.
下来吧，啊！来，下来，下来，来，长脑了，这个大毛。哎呦，这凶啊！行了，不行了，发老了。
I'm helping with your work, human. Consider this my resume for tech support.
你上班呢？
Those paws are built for battle, but food duty calls, so they're stuck giving the feeder a massage.
你操作啥呢？
The cat's version of teamwork is actually helping you fight the books. Wait, we're not auditioning for the next Rocky movie, are we? The clear motto here is, it's not the size of the meat, it's the size of the determination. Our feline friends have got one thing for being number one, even if it's a race for snack time champion. The cooler they are, the more attractive. That's why cool dudes always have a fan club crushing on them.
Mimi.
When peekaboo gets intense and your cat's the ultimate champ, you know you're in for some serious fun. When your fur housemate treats you like this, you'll start thinking, maybe being single with pets ain't so bad. Your workout partner doesn't need to be a bipedal. 4 legs work just fine when you're aiming for the same goal. You can't enjoy your snack solo when your besties are around. Sharing is caring.
真厉害！
来，这个又来了。
Mom, I signed up for a pet, not a feline luggage service. For cat lovers who are always hands full, this is the answer. Hey girl, being friendly and easygoing ain't the same. He's definitely not the chill type, just so you know. It's no cakewalk to get a cool video on TikTok. It's a whirlwind and dizzying for starters.
唉，真是人生无常，大肠包小肠。
His right-handed job is a driver, and left-handed is a caregiver. And sometimes he does both at once. Daughters are adorable with their questions, but if you don't have them, a girly meow is just as sweet. Thanks for watching!